If you are facing authentication error or login problem in ChatGPT, don't worry, you are not banned. This problem usually happens because of internet issues, app cache or login session errors. In this video, I show you simple steps to fix in just a few minutes. First of all, open ChatGPT and log out from your account. Now completely close the app and wait for a few seconds and log in again. Most of the time this step alone fixes the authentication error. Now the second step, if the problem still there, then check your internet. Turn airplane mode on for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. This refresh your network and give you a new connection. Now the last step is go to phone settings, open apps and select ChatGPT. Tap on storage. Here click on clear cache, not clear data. This remove temporary files that can cause login errors, and also check ChatGPT update. If an update is available, install it. After following these steps, your ChatGPT would work